Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, May 28, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 28, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 17 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 29.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.